Hi, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2018 Toyota Sienna Limited. Today's vehicle comes in a black exterior with a two-tone brown and black interior, all leather seats, wood grain accent throughout as well, sunroof both front and rear. It's a 7-passenger all-wheel drive vehicle. You've got heated mirrors. You've also got blind spot assist. And we come around to the rear, and you got our Toyota Sienna, as well as the limited all-wheel drive badging. Trunk back here. Power closing. And you can always fold down some seats if you need additional storage. Push button to close. Now, rear doors are power opening and closing. And you can see your rear seats here. And then you can easily pull the handle and then scoot those up to get access to the third row. Just pull the handle and you get them back in place. Power closing doors. Take a look at our driver's side now. Do have memory seats, so you can easily set the settings exactly how you like, and set it for different users as well. And we'll easily go back to those same settings. Driver door controls. Again, you can see that leather, black and brown two-tone interior, as well as the wood grain. Driver seat controls, lumbar support, driver's seat. Steering wheel. Let's go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. Mileage currently at 28,163. And we have a push button ignition. Here we have the Toyota touchscreen display. So you can easily access radio, navigation. Also have your backup camera here. There's the Toyota shifter, also with that same wood grain trim. Climate controls here for front and rear. Also have heated seats. Both driver and passenger here. Cup holders and storage. You can see the headphones for the televisions for the rear. Another nice feature when you get passengers that maybe need a little bit of entertainment to get them through a long road trip. And we also have sunroof controls here, again for front and rear. Also a push button to remotely open the door. So that just opened this driver's side rear door here. Now if you're interested in seeing any photos or getting additional information about this Toyota Sienna or any of the other vehicles on our showroom floor and lot, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.